Real estate agents lose thousands of dollars because they don't check their spreadsheet fast enough. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Your host is Cajethan Chinonso. Today I'm showing you how to build a two-step speed to lead that alerts your phone the second a new lead arrives. No more manual checking, just pure automation. What this workflow does is that this checks your Google Sheet to see if a lead has entered your Google Sheet, and once a lead enters your Google Sheet, it triggers the workflow to send you an instant Slack notification. So we are using these two nodes. So stick with me to the end of this video. I will guide you step by step on how to create this simple but powerful n8n automation. So let's build. Play this workflow. We will start by setting up our Google Sheet. So here we'll have the first name, last name, email, phone. Now that I have completed setting up our Google Sheet, beside time we go to our so to complete this workflow we are using a free tool called n8n. So if you don't have one, I suggest you grab one so that you can follow up perfectly. Remember to rename your canvas. Then I will add my tag. Then let's quickly take a note of what we are building. So our first node here will be node 1. Our node 1 is Google Sheet. So I will rename. Remember, I love renaming my workflow. Add row. I will just see store. Then on this store, what we'll be using is on row added, which means it will check. This will help check our Google Sheet every minute to see if a new row has been added. That is, if a new lead has landed in our Google Sheet. Once a new lead lands in our Google Sheet, then it will. Once a new lead lands in our Google Sheet as the trigger, the workflow will start running immediately, triggering a Slack alert. So here we are using second node. We are using Slack node or Slack, which I will call the let me see, the alarm. I'll call it the alarm. We configure this node perfectly. We'll add our Google Sheet. As a trigger, we are using on row added. And we add using by our ID. To add this by ID, simply head over to your Google Sheet, copy the ID, close it, search the sheet ID. Close it. Then we'll quickly go back to our Google Sheet to add a new lead. Here we'll say use first name, we'll use Cajethan. Last name we'll use email, we'll use admission gmail.com. On the phone number we use, let me see, simply use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So let's just keep it as simple as this. So we'll quickly come back to our n8n and try to fetch the lead that we just added. This is accused due to incorrect host. Let's add back our Google Sheet ID. Maybe you have copied the wrong ID. Go back, recopy the ID. Add the document ID. Copy the sheet ID. And try to fetch again. So let's take a little moment to correct this. So what actually happened is that my internet was offline, I noticed. So let's try fetching again. Perfect. You can see the lead has been fetched. So what I want to do now is to rename this workflow. Remember, we'll call it the store. Though is the trigger, but we'll call it the store. So now we'll add the final node. Since we have completed adding the store, so let's add the alarm, which is the Slack. So quickly come here, type Slack. Our action will be send, because we are sending a message, and we are sending this message to the Slack, to a Slack channel. So make sure you have connected your Slack account, otherwise you follow the guideline provided to connect yours. Then you select your channel, you select from ID. To copy your Slack ID, go back to Slack, to the channel you want to connect, and click here, open details, scroll down a bit, look at it here. So you click on copy, go back to your n8n, then paste. And here I will say hi, or new lead has new lead captured. I will say name, new lead captured, and say name. Something like first name to match what we have in our Google Sheet. You see first name, you drag and drop first name. Make sure you map correctly. Second name, you map as well. We see last name. Make sure you map as well. And you see email. Map correctly. Then phone, which is the phone number of the lead. So now that your Slack is set up and mapped correctly, what I want to do now is to execute this step. Again, I went offline, so let me take a while to correct. So what I want to do now is to execute this workflow. So what I want to do now is to execute this workflow. Then, since we have completed this setup, what I want to do now is to go back to our Slack and check if we have received the information saying over to our Slack. It says this was the first one I received. So you can see it says new lead captured, name Cajethan, last name Chinonso, then email. So this is perfectly set up. So we go over to our Slack and rename this to our alarm. Perfect. Since you have completed setting up the workflow, it is time to place your work on autopilot. You do this by clicking on publish and publish your workflow. Ignore this. As you know, it is build the system, let the system work. Now your system is working because it has been placed on autopilot. So what I want you to do this week is to build this exact workflow. Use it on your CRM and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Also support my little channel by subscribing, like and sharing my videos. It will do me a lot. Thank you so much. As you always know, I will see you in the next build. Peace.